Hey there, it's TJ Foster, and I thought I would show you how to fold and cut your Doodle All Day design and turn it into a little book. So here's what we're going to do. All right, so first of all, make sure that your table that you're using is nice and clean. It's not sticky or wet, so nothing sticks to your paper and it stays clean. Okay, so we are going to take the page and fold it in half. Now it's very important you line up the corners as closely as possible. When I do this, I line the corners up and then I kind of walk my fingers to the center and come down. Now, if you have small hands, this might be hard, so you might need a grown-up to help you, and that's okay. Everybody needs help every now and then. Okay, so now we have these two folds, or yeah, one fold really, two sides. Okay. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it this way. Once again, I'm going corner to corner. And now I'm going to just start in the center where that first fold was, right here where my thumb is. And then I'm going to line up this next one. Okay, there's that. Okay, I'm walking my fingers to the center and I'm pulling it down. And then I'm going to come out this way and this way. All right, so now this is what it looks like. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to open it back up and I'm going to come in from the edge to my center crease. Make sure it doesn't go over the crease. Okay, right there, pull it down with my finger. Go this away and that away. And then I'm going to flip it around and do the same thing on this side. Okay. All right. Okay, this is where I would stop, open it up, and color it. Okay, you have all your creases. Actually, you might want to just go over them again, just to make sure your creases are nice and crisp. All right? Yeah, I would do that first. Okay, they're pretty crisp. Okay, open it up and color. So here's a copy of mine after it's been colored. Okay, the creases are all there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half this way, not long ways, this way. So you have half of the dotted line here and the other half of the dotted line here. Can you see that? So this is what it looks like. There's a dotted line this way. So I'm folding it in half. So half is on this side, half is on this side. Okay? Are we all together? All right, now I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to make sure everything, you know what would be helpful if you put a paper clip at the top, maybe 2 or 3 paper clips if you want. And that might keep the top straight. But I'm going to make my cut on the dotted line, only the dotted line, nowhere else. Okay? So it only cuts the top of this page. All right, now I'm going to open it up. Open it up and then fold it this long ways again, but pull the center out. Okay, so it looks like this. Now I'm trying to line up the, okay. There we go. So now we have our pages. We did this, made that fold, and we're just making sure our creases are nice. Okay, so page 1 is the title. And then we have our candy cane and elf. We have our snowman and our tree and gingerbread man and our reindeer, and the back page is the knock knock joke. Okay, so, and then make sure you put your name on the line so everyone knows that you made it. And if you want to, you can even put just a little dot of, like get a glue stick and put a, I wouldn't use other glue. I would just use a glue stick. Just to put a little tiny bit of glue just in these. Actually, there's just 2 pages that need it. But you don't have to. Just saying. All right, well, have fun with your joke book. And if you want more copies, you can go to doodleallday.com, and I'm going to probably list this, and maybe on Etsy, Doodle All Day Designs on Etsy. So you can download them there too. All right, have fun. Bye.